Hi class, let's take a look at example 6 and same idea as before, except that because this one is asking for a Maclaurin, remember that these are at, well, technically a is equal to 0. So we want the first non-zero terms, but some of these are going to give us 0. So for example, let's start with f of x. So your f of x is equal to a cosine of x, and f of 0 is equal to, well, technically 1. Cosine of 0 is equal to 1. F prime of x, we're going to get a negative sine of x, but f prime of 0 is equal to 0. So we will not be able to use this term since it cancels. We need to go to the next one. So this will be f double prime of x. So we're going to get a negative cosine of x. So f double prime of 0 is equal to negative 1. Then f triple prime of x, the third derivative, it's going to be a regular sine of x. We won't be able to use this since we're going to get 0. So we need to do to the fourth power of x. So our fourth derivative, it's going to be a regular cosine of x. So f to the fourth, whoops, it's supposed to be 4, of x is equal to 1. Okay, in this case, that is actually it. We have the three non-zero terms. So f of 0, the second derivative, and the fourth derivative. Let me just put a 4 here. I don't like the way that I'm writing. So okay, so we're talking about the f of x is equal to a cosine of x, and in this case we can approximate it by the following formula. So your first term, it's going to be an actual 1 plus, and your first derivative cancels, so we're going to get a negative 1, and this is going to be an x technically minus 0. Let me write it as x minus 0 squared, but remember that this one has the 2 factorial. So the second derivative has the 2 factorial. So we would actually say over 2 factorial plus, the next term cancels out. And we're going to end up with the fourth derivative. So this will be 1 over, and you're going to have 4 factorial x minus 0 to the fourth power. And then technically it goes on and on. So we're going to end up with 1 minus 1 half x plus 4 factorial. It's going to be 24. Let me double check. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Yep. Plus 1 over 24 x to the fourth plus, and that would be it. So we're ending up with, well, those would be with 3 terms, but we did end up going all the way to the fourth derivative because your cosine cancels out. That's actually it for this one.